This short video is going to show you how the exponent or exponential function works in Python. And effectively, if you remember anything of your maths, this is just multiplying a number to a power. It's the same thing, okay? So if I type in, say, 2, and we always use 2 asterisks for the exponential function in Python, and let's say 2, that means I'm going to multiply 2 to the power of 2, which should be 4, okay? And then we can do that with another number, such as, let's try 8, okay? And if I do that to the power of 1, it should be 8. But if I do that power of 2, 64. Let's try it with a 3 to the power of 3. And we get 27 because it's 3 times 3 times 3. And in the previous example, 8 times 8. And we could just keep doing that. So we could do 4 to the power of 4, which means it's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. It's 256. And that's the exponential function. Remember, we always use 2 asterisks to multiply a number by itself a set number of times. So the first one is the number, and after the asterisk is the number of times we multiply it.